Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to make quick and fast breakfast for your family. So remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave your comments on the comment section. Thank you. In today's video, we are making quick breakfast, and these are the ingredients that we are going to use. We have all-purpose flour, one large egg, and sugar. Then we have our butter. We are going to use butter. Then oil and water to mix the flour. So we take 2 cups. We are going to measure 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And remember to always sieve your flour when you are using all-purpose flour because of the some dates inside. So I'm going to measure 2 cups. You can use, I'm using my teacup there to measure it. So we can measuring 1 cup first. So if you want to make it 2 cups, you can make it. So you have to sieve it so that if there is any particles or sand, you can quickly remove it. Then I'm going to measure my sugar. That's my sugar. I'm going to take you mix it after measuring it. I'm taking a spoon of 1 tablespoon of sugar. Since it is 1 cup of flour, I'll add water. That's water that I'm adding. So you mix it very well. You add 1 large egg, then mix it very well. Then you add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Just a teaspoon of butter on the fry pan. Then fry it.
good, sweet and delicious. Yummy, yummy. Perfect. You see how it is? Wow, wow. Enjoy it. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.